extravehicular activity. That's just a fancy way of saying, let's go outside for a walk. The trouble is, it's cold out in space. See? Even Chili's freezing. And there is no air to breathe out here.
That's right, Woody. If Americans are ever to walk on the moon, the deadly vacuum of space must first be conquered. The astronaut will need a...
Captain C?
Captain's not necessary. I'm a civilian.
We're having our PTA book fair on the 22nd, and we would love it if NASA could arrange another astronaut visit.
Well, I'd be happy to pass this along to the Public Affairs Office.
When I told the kids that astronaut Elliot C. was coming, they all said, who? They think every astronaut is John Glenn. But I'm sure they will be glued to the TV when you make your space shot.
Ultraviolet rays. With such a suit, why, anyone could take a walk in space, or even a walk on the moon.
There you are. Snug as a bug in a rug. For a penguin, I mean. Hey, where are you going?
I brought along someone who I think can explain all of this one heck of a lot better than I can.
I'm allergic to cheese. Now comes the hard part. Getting back home. The lunar lander will fly up from the moon and have to not only find the orbiting capsule, but actually grab onto it.
Howdy.
And home we go.